Hello, I'm Jessica Lowry and welcome to my Module 3 Part 2 Practices assignment. For this assignment, I chose a STEM activity of an oil spill challenge, which came from the Teach Engineering STEM library, and the students will be experimenting with an oil spill and how to clean it up and the consequences that the oil spill has on the environment. So here's the problem that I will be presenting to the students. They're going to be an engineering company that needs to design a plan to help clean up all the oil from the water. As they explore, they're going to be researching the history of oil spills, explore the effects of an oil spill and different methods to clean up used by environmental engineers, and they'll be calculating the oil removed from the water. For the design, students will be using the materials listed below and to clean up the oil, and each material relates to a real-world cleanup method used to clean up oil spills. I also have feathers in there because the feathers represent the wildlife. Here's a picture of the beginning of the assignment, putting the feathers in the oil. Here is the STEM activity with Try It Out. They're going to be given 15 minutes to clean as much oil as they can. At the end, measure and calculate and use their calculations to determine which cleaning up method worked best. One thing that I will have to use is make sure my students use separate containers for each cleaning method so that they can measure each separately to come to a conclusion. Here are pictures from my experiment using all 3 different cleanup methods. Here's the oil before and after and the clear containers used for the removed oil. To make it better, these are just some guiding questions that I would ask the students to reflect on the assignment. While analyzing the oil spill challenge activity, I noticed that there are different disciplines fused together to deepen the understanding of human impact on the environment. So with this, I believe it is an interdisciplinary integration approach. I also included social studies in this approach because I teach social studies and I can definitely see me using this in my class. For science, with the hands-on experiment of an oil spill, and exploring the causes and effects of oil spills with animal life and just different methods of cleanup used by environmental engineers. With social studies, the research of the history of oil spills, including causes and effects to enhance their understanding of human interaction on the environment. For math, all their calculations can definitely help them to relate to human impact on the environment with the analysis of data. Engineering, they're going to be researching environmental engineering cleanup methods and designing a plan so that they can clean it up. And technology, just different technologies used to clean up oil and how that has made advancements in the environment. So with my curriculum plan, I have human impact on the environment, and as you can see, I have science, math, engineering, technology, and social studies. And in between each, there are the questions that drive and connect each discipline together for the activity. And then while analyzing the STEM activity using figure 8.7, I felt with looking at all of the topics for organizing center, development of content, role of disciplines, role of the teacher, learning goals, and degree of integration, and the assessment, I believe that it's definitely an interdisciplinary integration activity. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and that is the end.